Two families with a long-standing feud, the Montagues and the Capulet.
Capulet, I want to marry your daughter. Fine. Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir.
Well, if I know the language,
Today,
people of Verona, I invite all the Capulets to come to my party. Viva Capulet, Lord Capulet, Veronica Capulet, Prince Scalor.
thank you, sir. Because of that, you are very sir.
As Lord Capulet agrees with Count Pariswell to marry Juliet, Lady Capulet tries to convince Juliet to marry Count Paris.
What's your name?
You can call me Romeo, but I can't say my last name.
After the party, Juliet knows that Romeo is a Montague.
Oh, Romeo, wherefore are you? My heart aches knowing you are a Montague.
The next day, Romeo came to see Juliet in their house.
Oh my love, Juliet, I'm here.
Why are you here? Do you want yourself to be killed?
If you love me, we should get married.
Oh, Romeo, I would love to.
Meet me at Friar Lawrence tomorrow.
I will be there.
Good night, my love.
Good night, my Romeo.
Next morning, Romeo and Juliet came to Friar Lawrence to get married.
Don't you dare push me. Settle this fight. Stop, Narcoso. Romeo would not like this.
Mercosio.
What happened? We back to kill him. Romeo, what have you done?
Lord Capulet and Lady Capulet talked to Juliet about being Count Paris' wife. But Juliet doesn't seem to concur with this decision. Juliet seeks help from Friar Lawrence. Friar Lawrence gives Juliet a vial that would give her temporary death for 42 hours. The next morning, Juliet does not wake up. The nurse is shocked to see Juliet lifeless, thinking that Juliet is actually dead. The Capulet decide to lay Juliet on the family tomb. Romeo finds out about the death of Juliet through Balthazar. He goes to an apothecary, a person who sells poison and drugs.
Why are you here?
Can I buy a poison?
But that's illegal.
Thank you, lady. Your
Romeo!